You won't believe the bizarre and mind-boggling subjects actually taught in schools around the globe. These courses are so unique, they'll leave you questioning reality, wondering if such things could really exist. But trust me, they do. Today, we're exploring some of the most unusual and fascinating classes that take education to a whole new level. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at just how wildly creative and out-of-the-box learning can get. So, stick around, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest mind-blowing content. Let's kick things off with Noodling 101, a course in Oklahoma, USA. That's anything but ordinary. Imagine a class where you learn to catch catfish using nothing but your bare hands. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what students do. They dive into murky waters and learn the ancient art of noodling, grabbing slippery fish without any tools. It's more than just fishing. It's about survival, teaching students to rely on their instincts and face challenges head-on. If you're ever in this class, get ready to get your hands dirty literally. Next up is a dream course for Harry Potter fans, Harry Potter Studies. Yes, you heard that right. In some schools, the magical world of J.K. Rowling is so revered, it's been turned into a full academic subject. But this isn't just about reading the books, it's about diving deep into the characters, exploring complex themes, and unraveling the mysteries behind spells and magical creatures. Students get to dissect the stories, understand the magical laws that govern Harry's world, and explore what makes this universe so enchanting. For any Potterhead, this course is pure magic. And if you think that's unusual, wait until you hear about the science of superheroes, a course taught in some Californian schools. Here, students get to explore how the incredible powers of superheroes can be explained through real-world science. Ever wondered how Spider-Man's web shooters work, or how Superman can defy gravity? This course breaks down the physics, biology, and chemistry behind these iconic abilities, turning comic book fantasy into scientific reality. It's a thrilling way to make science engaging and relevant, allowing students to see their favorite heroes in a whole new light. But we're just scratching the surface. Around the world, there are even more courses that will blow your mind. Take, for example, the emotions of baking. This isn't just about learning to bake delicious treats. It's about understanding how baking can influence your emotions. Students discover how the process of mixing, kneading, and decorating can be a form of therapy, bringing joy, comfort, and even a sense of achievement. It's where culinary arts meet emotional well-being, creating a truly unique and nurturing learning experience. Then there's the history of the semicolon. Yes, a whole course dedicated to this tiny punctuation mark. In this class, students explore how the semicolon has evolved over centuries, and how it's played a crucial role in shaping writing and language. It's a deep dive into the power of punctuation, revealing just how significant a small symbol can be in communication. And let's not forget the science of memory, a fascinating course that unravels the mysteries of how memory works, how our brains store and recall information, and practical techniques to boost memory retention. This isn't just about studying for exams, it's about understanding the intricate cognitive processes that influence our daily lives, making it a valuable and insightful subject for anyone curious about the mind. Finally, there's the Art of Slinging, a course that takes students back in time, teaching them how ancient soldiers mastered the slingshot as a deadly weapon. This isn't just about hurling stones, it's about mastering an ancient skill that was once vital for survival and warfare. Students learn the history, techniques, and physics behind this age-old weapon, gaining a profound appreciation for a tool that's been used for millennia. These subjects show us just how wildly inventive and unexpected education can be, from survival, skills, and magical worlds to the science of superheroes and the therapeutic power of baking. These courses prove that learning doesn't have to be conventional, it can be extraordinary. So, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's most unusual school subjects, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel, Whatever World, for more fascinating and surprising content.